Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and I have this gorgeous black 2021 Chevy Silverado LT Trailboss. Trailboss is a beast. Has a 2-inch lift from factory. They have these Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. Now it is just an LT, so it is a lower trim, but you do get power locks, windows, and mirrors. Come inside here, you do have cloth interior, but they are heated. You have dual climate control, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you have a backup camera, the Trailboss light app helps you check all your lights before on your trailer, make sure they're working. Go over here and you have a heated steering wheel, your cruise control, your Bluetooth, your menu settings, your audio settings. This 2021 does have 15,404 miles, so you do have the rest of the factory warranty, which is always nice. And it does come with rubber ZR1 mats all the way around. Let's go back here. We have a spray-in bed liner and a hands-free tailgate. It is a light tailgate, so it is easy to put up. This thing will not last long, I promise you. Whether we get used or new Trailbosses, they go off the lot. I mean, they're built for off-road and a lot of people love them. This one has that 5.3, so you get plenty of power, especially for off-road. So my number's down in the description, so is the website and the social media links. They'll also be at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And I promise you, this thing will not last long. It's in great shape. I mean, it's practically still brand new. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.